You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break it down. This is the name of a bakery, famous for being the name of a bakery in San Francisco in particular, and perhaps other locations in the US. In French, in France, it's said as Arsicault. Arsicault. Yes, I know the L and the T at the end are silent. It's confusing, but that's French. So you could say it as Arsicault, as in Arsicault Bakery. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.